So the articulation point is the tip of the tongue from the top side of the tip and the gums of the top 2 incisors. That's the articulation point. Okay, explain that to you. Okay, so the tip of the tongue from the top side. So again, this is this is the tip of the tongue, but we will be using the top side of the tip of the tongue, and that will be touching when we're reciting the ra, will be touching the gums of these top 2 incisors. Okay, this place, that's the ra articulation point. And the tongue is positioned in different situations because ra is heavy at times and other time is light. So it's actually both, it has both properties. Sometime it will be heavy, other times it will be light. We will discuss that in future. But when it is light, the position of the tongue is different than when it is heavy. You can see that from the image here. Okay, how it is produced? It is produced by tapping the tip of the tongue behind the upper teeth. So it is produced by tapping the tip of the tongue behind the upper teeth, and it is a trill. Means a rapid succession of several flaps. Okay, ra, r. Okay. Okay, let me explain that in 3D. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have the tip of the tongue, but we will be using the top part of the tip of the tongue with these are the top 2 incisors, and they will be touching these gum lines of the top 2 incisors, the flapping. Okay.